Hi, this is iPad Diary Quick Tips narrator, the Robot Girl. We share some quick and cool tips using iPad and iPhone. Today, I will share a tip on how to use the text replacement tool. It is a very powerful and useful tool on iPad that everyone should use. But, in reality, I have not seen many people who even knows that such a tool exists. Maybe I am hanging out with the wrong crowd. Darn. Please note that this feature is often called snippets and used by coders who works with many repeated codes and words. The text replacement tool on iPad provides the similar features. Us novices will most likely use them with texts mostly. For instance, when I write my scripts for YouTube videos, I have the same opening and closing comments, which consist of few sentences. I can always copy and paste, but there is a better way. Let's get into it right now. Go to the good old Settings, then General, Keyboard, and you will see Text Replacement on the menu. Select it, and as you can see, I have quite a few set up. If I was not lazy, I should have hundreds of words by now. Let's test a quick opening statement. First, tap the plus button on the top right corner. I will set up an opening comment. Luckily, I have this word set up with a snippet, the word hi plus semicolon, so I don't need to retype the phrase as you can see. So anyway, let's say this is a paragraph or sentences you use again and again. Then you want to add your snippet or shortcut. You want to use a simple few letters and add an identifier, in this case a semicolon. You could use other identifiers, but I found the semicolon very handy, because it is a symbol that is very convenient to type and also is rarely used in normal typing. I would say that you will need a shortcut identifier so that you don't get the long sentence every time you type the letter O and P. After entering the shortcut with the identifier symbol, be sure to hit Save button on the top right. Let's try adding one more shortcut or a snippet. Hit the plus button. I already have this long sentence set up, but you should put your own phrase in. This is the closing comment for my YouTube video, that I want to use repeatedly. I will give this shortcut a name, the word and plus, again the shortcut identifier, a semicolon. Hit save and we are all set to use this magical shortcut. Let's go to the pages on iPad. Where I prepare my video scripts. Upon opening the file, I type the alphabets O and P, followed by the shortcut identifier semicolon. Voila, I have all my opening comments in 2 lines with just 3 keys. Now let's try the closing statement. Remember, my shortcut is the word end, followed by a semicolon. The snippets, or the text replacement feature works everywhere on the iPad, where you need to input something. You can set up a long email address as well. It even works on the Safari search window as you can see. The snippets come in handy when writing emails or web input form addresses and etc. Try setting up few favorite snippets today and start cracking. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Peace.